Hey guys, Dan and Badger, Sterling Self-Defense, coming at you another video. Alright, we got the comfortable carry. Love these pouches. What do we got in here? The FDE power plug. Nice build. Take a look. Laser on the front. 12 gram mag. Alright, let's pull her up, get some numbers. Load her up. And gram jewels. This one's really dirty. Yeah, liking these FD lately. I haven't seen them in a while. They put out a limited edition on the FDEs, black and FDE, about 2 or 3 years ago. They only made, I think, like 500 or something like that, limited edition. I didn't think they were going to stick to the limited edition, but they did, surprisingly enough. All right, yeah, she works. All right, now this has full V-cast internals, bolt spring, sear spring, power spring, Hogue grip. What am I missing? And of course, the power plug extension bolt. All right, that about covers it. Down and dirty and get some numbers. Powered up. Oh, we got a little closer here. All right, see what we got. Oh, and I forgot to follow her as usual. All right, try this again. 384. 386. 418. There's only a 5-inch barrel in here. Monster. 386. 384. I don't remember if I shot them all. I forgot what I put in there. We'll see. 384. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I don't want to hear the loud bang. That is it. The FDE power plug. What a monster. Great carry, perfect size. And guys, these bags, especially you guys in California, got all those zombies running around. Quick, easy to get to. Completely legal in California, no matter what anyone says. Doesn't have to be yellow, nothing like that. Completely unregulated, completely legal, can't do anything about it. And especially people in LA County with that new crazy law. Someone breaks in your house, don't use a firearm or you're going to jail. No matter whether you're wielding a chainsaw or whatever. Use one of these, doesn't matter. It's not a firearm, they're completely legal. Good for self-defense. If you want, you can also put any kind of sticker you want on there, less lethal, whatever. Good to go, but very comfortable. Fits numerous mags, extra ammo, your wallet, your phone, and especially once again, walk around in New York City or California, keep your valuables close on hand, not hanging on your side, no pocketbooks hanging down, nothing they can grab real quick. That's what all the illegals are doing now. Hordes of them going around, all working together, and they're just grabbing people's cell phones left and right. You know, people got cell phones on their sides and talking on them and whatnot. They're just grabbing them because they're so expensive, and grabbing wallets, pocketbooks. So stuff like this, they can't just run. They ain't pulling this off you. And if they try, grab for it. And it's got two pockets. It's got, you can either keep it on the inside, or let me show you, there's another pocket on the back. You can get to a little quicker without an unzip. Or if you need a lot more room for other stuff on the inside, it's got a compartment right back here with a quick snap. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. The video just stopped playing. Okay, I think I was just talking about the back compartment. Here we go. It's got a compartment in the back with a little quick snap. You can either keep it snapped or keep it open. Quick access. Now, you put it by... hey, guys, sorry about that. I'm overwriting my own memory. I have too much memory. Thousands and thousands of videos apparently I have in here. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.